Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today is Tuesday, the second day of the week. As usual, I'm here to talk about the recap of trades I took this morning. Before we go through the recap, we want to remind you that trading is difficult. Most traders lose money. That is why you need education. And also, after your education, you need to practice. Practice where on the demo account. Don't use money you're going to pay your bill with, you know, because trading is very difficult. So let's now go to the recap of the trade I took this morning and we will see. In the meantime, I want to explain to you that this morning I was not able to record the trade. Why? Because I have a very big technical problem. It wasn't only for me, but it was for the platform around the world. The platform I'm using was freeze and it prevented me to do anything. It took a long time. That is why the recording didn't went through. So anyway, I'm going to talk to you about my entry and my exit, and I'm going to show you my uh, feed orders, the total trade I took, and you guys will see it here on my screen. So you can see that the market opened at 9:30 as usual Eastern time. At 9:30 Eastern time, I took my first trade 6 minutes later. You know, 6 minutes later, I took the first trade. You can see here I took NVDA trade at 9:36, minute, and it was a losing trade, unfortunately. As open my trading session with a losing trade, I lost $223 on that first trade, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because you can see here, this is the NVIDIA at the opening, ladies and gentlemen. NVIDIA opened here at this point, you know, and it came down, it closed here, and it went up, and then it flushed down at this point, and you have a rejection at this level. It turned back, you know, when it turned back, it played this big green candle. The second one, now it break, the high of the day. And then I jump at this level. When I jump at this level, my idea was that I wanted to run NVIDIA from here to upside. But unfortunately, NVIDIA turned back. I was already in. And in reverse here, my stop was at this point, and I was stopped out at this point of NVIDIA. I lost $223 because my stop was far away down. So that was my first trade. And I jumped it again the second time, still on the long side. I bought NVIDIA here for the long side again, and I still lost $115, as you can see here, ladies and gentlemen. I went to the third time, NVIDIA again, and I jumped in again, at $424.64. I think it was a long position still, and I lost again $58. And I went here for the fourth time, on the short side, and I still lost $96.50. Since I was trading from my office this morning, because I was in my office and I had time, I said, okay, let me give myself a little bit break and I'll come back. That is what I did. And when I came back to NVIDIA, I changed the stock. I took now Tesla. I jumped into Tesla here, with 250 share, and I made $253.25. That was my first gain. You know, I was already down, almost more than $400, and now I cut the loss in two, you know, as you can see here. I already have half back, you know, and I jump again, I made $24. And I jump again, I made $18. And I jump again, I made $105. Again, I made $74. Again, $27. Again, $28. Again, $60. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I keep gaining, going gain after gain after gain after gain, as you can see, until I placed my first or my last trade at 11 43 minute, 11 past 43 minute. Yes. So that is how I placed my last trade, and I was able to make $17. So total, you know, after fees, I made the total, you can see here in green, $114.55. That was my net profit of the day. So, ladies and gentlemen, the trade, this day wasn't easy like yesterday. I fought a lot. That is why I came up with this result. I was green, which I appreciate. I like, I thanks, because it's not easy to pull my money out of the market, ladies and gentlemen. So that was the recap of the trade I took this morning. And, you know, we want to thank you, especially people who follow our program. And I want to thank you for your time, your attention, and we hope to see you tomorrow or another time. Thank you.